Hi everyone, it's OC from Digital Adventures. Got another great project for you today. This one is called basketball bouncing. This is a very simple animation where we have a basketball go up and down, up and down. So let's go ahead and figure out how this works. So let's exit out of full screen. I'm going to stop everything here. I'm going to get rid of this existing code. I'm also going to show you that within this basketball costume, what I did was I recreated this about 12 times. And toward the bottom, what I did was I squished the basketball just to give it that visual effect of it going up and down, up and down. I also created basically an invisible sprite that it's going to basically interact with as it goes to the bottom, and then it reverses directions. And so let's go ahead and get started. So all of this code is going to be in the basketball. So what we're going to start with is events. We're going to get ourselves a when green flag clicked. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to motion. We're going to get ourselves a go to XY. We want this to start off at 0, -5. And then what we want to do is we want to initialize a variable that we've created. I call it dribbling. And we're going to set this to -5. That's going to determine the rate of descent as it goes down and also the resistance as it pops back up. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to rotate between these costumes, but we always wanted to start off on the very first costume, so we're going to switch that to basketball. Next, what we're going to do is in control, we're going to grab ourselves a forever loop. And then what we want to do is just have it rotating between those 12 costumes, so we're just going to have it constantly going between those. Next, we're going to get ourselves a change Y by. And this change Y by is going to change by dribbling. So we're going to pop this variable right in here. And then we're going to get ourselves an if-then conditional statement. And what this if-then conditional statement is going to do is sense whether or not it's touching that transparent sprite. And if it does, then it's going to reverse directions. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ourselves a touching bottom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go in control. We're going to get ourselves a wait because we want to see that really brief change in direction. So we're going to change that to 0.025. Then we're going to go back to motion. We're going to get ourselves another change Y by block. And within this change Y by block, we're going to put an operator, the multiplier operator, and we're going to just pop that right in there. And what we want to do is we want to change that dribbling variable. We're going to have it reverse by a -40 as it's going back up. So if we click on full screen, we can see the impact of this. And so what we see is the ball just goes up and down, up and down. It also has some rotation. So within the basketball sprite, every time I switch costumes, I just put a little bit of rotation on there just to give us more of a visual impact. So hope you all enjoyed this project. This is just a fun little animation to make something go up and down in a repeated loop. We hope you're enjoying these projects, and we hope you'll come back and join us for the next one. Thank you so much.